The Bitcoin network is made up of three key user groups: Bitcoin users, developers, and miners. Bitcoin users are those holding Bitcoin and/or using it to buy and sell goods and services. Developers are a group of computer programmers who voluntarily work on upgrades to the Bitcoin software. Bitcoin miners are the individuals and businesses who provide the computing power Bitcoin needs to run. The role of Bitcoin users is fairly easy to understand. They hold on to Bitcoin as a store of value or use it to buy and sell goods and services. However, you may be less familiar with the role of Bitcoin developers. The Bitcoin developer community is made up of many casual contributors to the codebase, and many more who contribute research, peer review, testing, and documentation. This is possible because Bitcoin's software is open source. Anyone with the right technical skills can look at the software and make suggestions or recommendations on how it could be improved. Sometimes these improvements are noticeable to end users, like faster transaction speeds. Sometimes they are just making technical improvements so the system works better behind the scenes. This community of people are constantly working on ways to make the Bitcoin software better. Bitcoin miners are the group that often confuse people the most. But these miners are just people and businesses who have decided to run the Bitcoin software for profit. The Bitcoin software rewards one of the Bitcoin miners roughly every 10 minutes with a payout in Bitcoin. This is a combination of newly minted Bitcoins and transaction fees to incentivize miners to keep running the Bitcoin software. This reward is paid out randomly. Because miners never know when they might collect a mining reward, miners keep running the software around the clock. This large amount of ongoing computing power is essential for keeping Bitcoin secure. All three user groups, Bitcoin users, developers, and miners, are required for the Bitcoin ecosystem to function properly. They all rely on each other, decentralizing control over the network. The developers rely on the miners to keep running the Bitcoin software, and miners rely on Bitcoin users to keep using Bitcoin. The Bitcoin users rely on the miners to provide the computing power to run the software, and Bitcoin users rely on developers to keep improving the software. The miners also rely on the developers to keep improving the software so that Bitcoin users keep using it, making the block rewards they are chasing profitable.